Make a great choice today with
the 2021 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.